we are here, Ramkamhang near the Sukhumvit, and the next station is Makassan. So we have to go to Fayat High MRT. Which are the MRT going there? We have to go there. I have reached the Makassan station. From here we need to walk till Pachaburi station. From there we will get a metro ticket to the station where we are going, which is near to Southern Bus Terminal. Let's go there. After coming out of that Makassan station, you have to come through the exit 2 to go to the blue line. We are just searching for that. Here we need to buy a ticket and then we need to go. I think that is the exit to MRT. Skywalk to MRT. Skywalk is nothing but over a bridge. Let's go there. Here it is. Skywalk to Pechaburi station. This is the way. Exit 2. This is the skywalk to that metro, Pachaburi station. Let's go to that station and then we will buy the metro tickets there. This is huge line for ticket vending machines. We have to wait here for some time. Let us see. Here we are in the Pachaburi. We have to go to Bank on Non. And the pricing is 45 for adult, 41 for student and 23 for child. There is huge line for metro. Okay, look at the line to that metro. This is all the line. There is so much of discipline here. They are not just crowding near the door. They are just standing in lines. If that line gets end there, they are turning that side and waiting at that total line. And only they are entering one by one. Only if there is a place they are entering. They are not pushing people. They are not doing anything. It's a very good thing that we should learn from the Southeast Asia countries. Guys, we have reached the Bank on Non metro station. From here, the Southern Bus Terminal is 7 kilometers, where we will take the Grab. Let us go down and see how much it will cost from here and how much time it will take. We have to reach in 20 minutes. Now the time is 7 o'clock already. If you are planning to go to any floating market, from this metro itself you have Sangklong floating market, Playing Chain floating market, Southern Bus Terminal. Oh, one shuttle will be there from here itself. The shuttle buses from here will be stopped at 4:30 itself. For every 20 to 30 minutes you will get it. Starting bus is 9 o'clock. So if you are planning to go to any of these locations, you can consider that shuttle bus, but as of now we are taking Grab and going. We will go. We have reached Southern Bus Terminal and we didn't eat anything since morning, not even a single thing. Morning we have stopped, I have shown you that coffee, and after that nothing. There is 7-Eleven here inside. Our bus is at 7:50. Now the time is 7:30, we have reached. So in 5 minutes we will just go inside, bring something to eat. And that is our dinner today. Let me check the platform number. Platform numbers are 69 and 71. We don't know where they are. These are the platforms 25 to 98. These are 1 to 24. 30 minutes prior departure. We have 10 minutes prior. Platforms 68, 70. There is our platform 48 to 75. I don't know whether bus is still there or it went. Time is still there, but we are already late. This is the waiting area near the buses. There are so many shopping places to do, but we don't have the time. I think that is our bus. So, double decker one. On top also you have seats. On down also you have seats. Phuket. Here goes our luggage.
On top.
Let's go. On top? Okay. This too. Okay.
Any
Okay. Okay.
any
Okay. Okay. Done. Thank you. Guys, we sat on the bus. This is the leg room. Very comfortable. They gave some food. They gave a cake roll, some milkshake, and some water bottle. And we have this leg for the leg rest also. Somehow. Yeah. We can lean back. It's very comfortable. For approximately you have to pay more 500 to 600 extra and you get so much 800 around something it was costing, and this one is 1100 something, so around 300 600 700 extra maybe. With that you are getting a pretty comfortable journey, very comfortable journey you will get by these buses. So if you are traveling and you have so much of plans in the next day, we recommend you to go by VIP bus. After boarding the bus, after 4 hours 45 minutes, they have stopped the bus for a break. You can't even imagine how the place looks. This is a bus stoppage place. They have stopped the bus for a short break for around 20 minutes, and they said you can go for the washroom. And just beside that, this is the place where they have stopped. You get so many options. Inside for the food, so you don't need to worry in middle if they'll stop the bus or not. So if you are taking the VIP bus, I don't know the normal bus will stop or not here, because most of them here are VIP buses only. So I don't know whether the normal bus will stop or not. So the VIP bus will definitely going to stop this kind of place. They are going to stop by for 20 minutes. You will get so many food options also here. And the washrooms are so clean. I have never seen washrooms so clean in a bus stoppage area. We are stunned to see. Even you get beers and whiskey also here. Vodka also available here. I will show you the bus also. I was unable to show while boarding because the time is not there. Now after some time I will show you the bus and interior how it looks. We got to know one more information, like if you show the ticket, they will give you food coupon. We have 2 tickets, so they gave 2 coupons, but the foods are completely Thai cuisine. There is no veg in one shop completely, and we are unable to find the chicken option also. We don't know what it is. We are unable to ask what it is also. So yeah, if you like the Thai cuisine, if you want to try Thai cuisine, then you can definitely use this one. So here we took some french fries and one cappuccino. Cappuccino costed us 40 baht and this one is 50 baht. This is our bus. This total the back compartment is for luggage only. And this one is a toilet. And you have a few seats in the front. And you have so many seats on the top. We got the top seats. You can have an option to choose the down seats as well. It's a double-decker bus. This is the toilet. Open. Yeah, I think we have the commode as well. A big thumbs up. You will not find this in a bus. My seats are up. This is how the bus looks. These are the seats. She's enjoying her coffee. You liked it? How is the taste?
Good one.
How is the place?
First time in my life I have seen this much good bus style. Not only that, guys, very good washrooms. I usually never go to washrooms in bus stands areas. First time I went, it's clean, like crystal clear. I can find, if I can see any dirt also, I will be able to see. That much clean. You can't believe it.
Even the bus also have commode. That is, definitely have to mention it.
Bus have washroom, that is, so this is a VIP bus. I can, okay, fine. Because in India also intercity buses have it.
Intercity doesn't have the pooping. You can't poop. Only shishu.
Okay, I don't know about that, but first
Just
time in
now
my
I think.
life I went to washroom and it is pretty good, guys. for girls, it is the best option. No, there will be no issue.
And I am not seeing any normal bus here. Every bus, whatever got stopped, it's a VIP bus only. So I think it's a VIP bus stop area. So we keep in mind that
Not only
one.
that, here I have to mention one more thing. Prices are same like how it's in the city areas.
Exactly.
There is
yeah.
nothing like it is so much high cost or anything. Because in city also I took the cappuccino as a 40k. Sorry,
40 baht.
40 baht. Here also I took it as a
Due
40
to
baht.
Vietnam, na 40k 30k is
Just now
coming.
we came back from Vietnam. So yeah, there it was 40k. So need to mention that also.
Hello guys, good morning and welcome to the day 4 of exploring Thailand, and we have reached Phuket. Let me show you the bus terminal 2. That is the bus which brought us here, and this is the bus terminal 2 inside the Phuket. From here you will have only two options, one is bus and one is taxi. The taxi is so much costly, it is taking 500 baht to go to Patong beach from here. So we have decided to go to Terminal 1, and from there we are going to take the bus for the Patong beach. So guys, we have boarded the shuttle bus for the Phuket town, which will take us to the bus terminal 1. It costed us 15 baht per person, so it costed 30 baht for 2 persons. Let us see how the journey goes. This is how the bus is. It's a shuttle bus. It have AC. It's very comfortable. We can go for the bus terminal 1. Let's go there and see how to go to Patong beach. See you there. Hey guys, the shuttle bus have dropped us here, and that way is the bus terminal 1. We will go there and then we will take bus again to the Patong beach. Every 1 hour there will be buses. Let me cross the road, then I'll update you. If you get dropped in the bus terminal 2, the cheapest option is to travel by the bus, because the Grab is also costing 530 to 540 baht. It is very costly, and there will be buses option available from bus terminal 2 to 1 very frequently, and from bus terminal 1 to Patong beach you will have buses for every 1 hour. So keep that in mind, and if you are coming here, travel by this way for your budget friendly trip. Let's go to the bus stand and then we will check how to get the bus from here to Patong. They are everywhere. There are bus counters and there are buses you can book to Krabi also. So we need to go to Krabi. If the tickets are available from here on, it will be easy for us. Let us ensure where we will get the bus to Patong. Someone is shouting Patong now? I think that side. Yeah. Platform number 11, which will go to the Patong beach. Let's go. The board signs are very helpful here. You don't have to search. Patong, this one? This is the Patong beach. Patong beach bus. How much per person?
50 baht for one person.
Do I have to pay here? Or
Okay, it's done. It's done.
how much time left?
It's
sir?
50 minutes.
50 minutes. Okay. I'll give you the bag also. Just outside this bus terminal, like, we have 7-Eleven also, so regarding the food also you don't have to worry. You can come here and take the food as well. Even inside also you will get some food options. This is our bus. We have kept the baggages inside. It is also like a shuttle bus. It's like a super luxury bus. As we have boarded the bus, it is looking something like this. It is a 3-seat bus, and you don't have any on the top of your head to keep the luggage. You have to keep there. So if you have more luggage, be careful with that. And the food is not allowed inside. You can't eat food inside. So that also you need to do it before boarding the bus. Coming to the bus journey, it is very comfortable, and there is free Wi-Fi inside. That is the best thing which I have seen in any city local buses. The bus journey is pretty comfortable. We are halfway through. Still, I think more 5 to 6 kilometers left to reach the Patong beach. After reaching there, I'll update you where we are going next. See you then.